Kuhne, and Felix, who is here, Felix Kuhne. We are really honored to be at this conference, and I hope that you will know more about us after my presentation. My presentation will focus on two technologies, two water quench technologies, cool bubble and triple bubble. And as Shailesh said, I am sales director at Kuhne Anlagenbau. My presentation will be divided in 6 parts. We will focus on two technologies, cool bubble and triple bubble. I will first start with cool bubble, and after that I will talk more about triple bubble. So since I arrived in India, everybody knows the name Kuhne, but nobody knows who we are and what we are proposing. Kuhne Group is a medium-sized company located in Germany between Cologne and Bonn. We are approximately 250 employees with a turnover of 70 million. And we are a family-owned business. We are currently at the third generation, at the generation of Felix Kuhne, who is here also today. Kuhne Group is divided in 3 companies. We have one mother company and 2 sisters company. Kuhne Maschinenbau is the mother company, doing flat film and sheet lines, extruders, smart sheet lines, geomembrane, all kind of geomembrane lines. We have Kuhne Anlagenbau. I'm part of this company. We are doing blown film lines, triple bubble, cool bubble, and smart bubble. And we have K-Tool, who is making all the tooling, mainly for Maschinenbau and Kuhne Anlagenbau, barrels, screws, and dies. As I said, we will focus on 2 technologies from Kuhne Anlagenbau, triple bubble and cool bubble. We will not focus on conventional blown film line that you already know.
Good morning to everyone. First of all, thank you to Nidi for the fantastic organization and the very nice location for this event, important event. Today, I would like to share with you our achievement and our success in a few applications very important in gravure technology. First of all, a quick introduction and overview about Bobst. Bobst is a multinational company based in Switzerland, in Lausanne, with a long history behind in 4 main industries: corrugated, board, flexible materials, folding carton, and labels. The turnover in 2022 was around 1.7 billion, and you can have a look in this slide, a summary about the structure, so more than 6,000 employees and more than 130 years of experience in the market. But for Bobst is important also the Indian market, and this is a summary of and a demonstration of how Bobst is present here in India since 28 years, and where we have an installed base of more than 1,500 machines. Of these machines, 1/3 approximately are in flexible packaging. I mean gravure machines, laminating machines, and coating machines. In India, we have an important structure, not only a production plant, but also a sales organization for flexible packaging and a service organization as well to support our customers in India. Now, what about gravure? And these are the 3 main topics I would like to share with you today. So water-based inks, what we realized and in this specific application, and then ECG and how we think to relaunch gravure in the market also for short run. And the third point,
many years back, I was involved in a project actually here in Mumbai, and the slogan of that customer at that time was, constantly exceeding customers' expectations. Some may recall that. So constantly exceeding customers' expectations. And when I recall that, when I remember that, there's one person, there's one organization in this room that is seriously exceeding every time my expectations, and that is NIDI and Elite Plus. Seriously, every time I'm here, I'm thrilled. It's bigger each time. So congratulations, and also for your 10th anniversary. Happy to be part of you. Thank you very much. And if I think about it, do we exceed expectations of legislation, of the markets, of our customers? Question mark. But the last days we have seen a lot of new technologies coming in, new inventions, new partnerships formed, and I'm happy today to give you some insights, some updates on the latest trends in coating and converting technology that will ultimately also drive sustainability. Where's that going? Yeah, well, back. Sorry. So I'm tackling two major questions today in my presentation. First of all, how can packaging producers become more sustainable? And how can recyclability along the value chain help us to become more sustainable? If we look at what we have discussed here in the audience and with all the presentation we have seen so far, a lot is very, very much focused on packaging materials, packaging development, but there is another whole chain along until the package comes to the sorting, recycling process. And I'm going to focus on two areas. Of course, the materials, because I'm coming from the coating converting side, but also what can be done to enhance the package, that it really flows smoothly through and finds its way back to the material production. First,
stall behind. So if anybody wants to have any offline discussions, they can have it with their stall team as well. Thank you.
Thank you, Shailesh, for an excellently chaired session. I'm going to request you to please hand over our mementos to our prestigious speakers of this extremely technology session. Thank you very much. The first session, Chairman gives the speaker to?
We request you to present the token of appreciation to Erhan Haykircan, who's the sales director from Kuhne Aallenbau from Germany. Our next memento to Mr. Jonathan Giubilato, who is the product line director from Gravure, Bobst Group, and our token of appreciation for Esa-Matti Aalto from Matthews Engineering, also from Germany. So it's good to see our panelists and our speakers joining us from various countries and Schengen.
And we've got Mr. Naresh Khanna, who is a very respected media personality in India, to hand over the memento to Mr. Shailesh Nema, Vice President Sales Asia and Managing Director India, Michelman.